I'm Nate with Dirt Lifestyle. I'm here doing the Nitto Run here at Kane Creek in Moab, Utah. This trail is rated like a 7 of 10, something like that. And normally if you're with a pretty well-built group, it's like a 3 or 4 hour ride. Honestly, being Easter Jeep Safari and knowing that it's gonna be busy, we'll probably be out here for like 8+ hours just because there's gonna be a lot of traffic, but that's what we're here to do.
It's looking pretty good, you know.
Later this year though.
It's a high left climb off camber. If you don't make it right, you're gonna go right into a rock. So there's like a stock JL-ish, like something like the black one that we have in the back.
SoCal
kind of fell off the line and hit his wheel, but usually it's better than a...
Feels good to me. Feels good. It looks good to you.
You gotta ride that high line out there.
Yeah.
This is kind of tough because we're not like that wide. So.
Hey, can he go just straight up?
They're saying is the creek crossing is so bad they were able to get one across and they can winch people through, but they have 30 rigs and it'll take about 5 hours for them to get through.
Come with us to go swimming with the R1 Concepts team.
Sick, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start rolling.
Okay, give me 1 second. My bad, Paul.
Coming up, coming up. Okay. Passenger. Okay, come up, come up, come up. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Come up. Come up. Passenger. Okay. Now start. Go ahead, Mark. And then remove it, driver. Driver.
Should just winch up.
Do you have a soft shackle?
We've been out here for many hours. We're just trying to survive at this point. We've got smoke coming out of some vehicles, scratches, bumps, bruises. So far, no broken parts. But overall, hopeful. There was a little body damage, but no broken parts that I know of. And everyone had a just great attitude all day. I think we all grew a little closer as a team and had a ton of fun.
Perfectly working! That was perfectly working and you just had to touch it.